Hi everyone, welcome back to the other episode of our tutorial video. This is me Kate here, and on today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete MyFitnessPal account instantly. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Once you're logged in, you will get to see this dashboard. Now go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon from the upper left corner of this interface. That will take you to your profile page. Now on this interface again, head over to the upper right corner. There you will see settings icon. Tap on there, and on this settings page, under my account, you will get an option that says delete account under my apps and device. So tap on delete account. You will land on this page. Here, first of all, make sure you read all of this information provided to you. Once you read all of that, scroll a bit, and to delete your account, first of all, you have to enter your password. So enter your correct password. In case you forgot your password, you can simply recover if you tap on forgot password. Now once you read all of the information provided and type in your correct password, tap on delete account. And after that, it will confirm you again. From there, tap on delete account. Once you do that, your account will get deleted. So that's how you can simply delete MyFitnessPal account instantly. I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon so that you will get updated the next time we upload more tutorials. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to drop them down. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.